Hey, what's up, Holochain holder? This is very urgent video for Holochain because Holo is very badly fails down in the last 24 hours, very badly. And but first of all, you can see here this time the all crypto market has very badly falls down, my friend. Let's see to why the BitTorrent Holo as very badly fails down, and what's my prediction to in upcoming days they moving up or they also badly fails down in upcoming days. So what's my prediction, my opinion, and also what's the target of Holochain today, can hit it the target or not. Let's get started this brand video. I request you, my brother, please, before I get started, I request you to subscribe this channel. Please click the red button, my brother, my friend, my lovely friends. Please click the red button, please subscribe and like this video, my friend. Keep touch with us. I am updating you, I guide you every time. Okay, you just personally message me on Instagram, my friend. You can see here first of all I prediction you can see here this is the circulation. After a very high jump they fails down again, and after a fails they take again jump, and after a jump they fails down again, and after a fails they take again jump. You can see here this is the circulation, and I hope in upcoming days they're moving up. Exactly, the good point is coming soon, my friend. This time you can see here they change agar minus 17.28%, very badly fails down, and I already make a video in the morning for this act. Please, if you want to watch, then go on my channel and visit, and let's check out the latest video of Holochain. Okay, but this time you can see here this is very urgent video for my brother because they fails down very badly. My brother, all crypto market is very badly fails down in those days. So please don't fear. I hope a good time is coming soon, my friend. This time they exactly fails down, but the good time is coming soon. So please, this is my opinion, to please hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. So my prediction is already, I tell you, my friends, so they go up in upcoming days, and the target, as you can see here this time, the price is 0.02 US dollar. The target is 0.1 US dollar. Exactly, they can hit it, my friend. This is especially Twitter, I see it, and Twitter. Please, if you want to also check out that, go on Twitter and check out, my friend, on official Twitter. Okay, so my friends, in upcoming days they go up. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. Please like and subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time. Allah Hafiz.